In the realm of culinary arts, where the alchemy of flavors and textures reigns supreme, lies a hidden dimension, the chemistry of cooking. It's an intricate dance between heat, molecules, and the very essence of food itself. As we delve into this fascinating world, let us embark on a journey through the ages, tracing the evolution of our understanding of how heat transforms food. In ancient Greece, philosophers like Empedocles proposed that all matter was composed of four fundamental elements: earth, air, fire, and water. They believed that cooking was a process of transmutation, where raw ingredients were converted into their more refined and palatable forms through the application of heat, which they associated with the element of fire. This early conception of cooking as a form of elemental manipulation laid the groundwork for centuries of scientific inquiry. Fast forward to the 17th century, when French chef François-Pierre de la Varenne penned his seminal cookbook, Le Cuisinier François. Within its pages, he detailed a methodical approach to cooking, emphasizing the importance of timing and heat control in achieving desired textures and flavors. This practical guide, while rooted in tradition, demonstrated an intuitive grasp of the chemical reactions that occurred during cooking. The true turning point came with the advent of modern chemistry in the 19th century. Scientists like Antoine Lavoisier and Joseph Priestley began to unravel the mysteries of combustion and heat transfer. As they studied the decomposition of organic matter under various conditions, they identified key players in the chemical transformation of food: proteins, carbohydrates, fats, and water. The Maillard reaction, a complex series of chemical reactions involving amino acids, reducing sugars, and heat, became a focal point for researchers. This eponymous discovery, named after French chemist Louis-Camille Maillard, highlighted the pivotal role of non-enzymatic browning in creating the rich flavors and aromas characteristic of cooked foods. Today, our understanding of cooking chemistry is more nuanced than ever. We recognize that heat triggers a cascade of molecular transformations, breaking down proteins into peptides and amino acids, gelatinizing starches, and caramelizing sugars. This intricate ballet of chemical reactions yields an astonishing range of textures, from tender, fall-apart tenderness to crispy, golden brown crunch. Consider the alchemy involved in cooking a perfect risotto. As arborio rice cooks in stock and wine, its starches gelatinize, releasing their stored energy. The Maillard reaction kicks in, imbuing the dish with an alluring aroma of toasted grains and vegetables. Meanwhile, the proteins within the ingredients, from the tender chicken to the succulent mushrooms, undergo a transformation that renders them more palatable and easier to digest. In haute cuisine, chefs like Thomas Keller and Daniel Boulud push the boundaries of culinary art by exploiting this chemistry to create innovative dishes that delight and astound. Their creations often rely on precise temperature control, manipulating heat to achieve specific textures, flavors, and aromas. Beyond the realm of fine dining lies a more practical consideration: food safety. When handled improperly, food can become a breeding ground for bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. The chemistry of cooking provides a safeguard against these dangers by ensuring that food is cooked thoroughly enough to kill off any potential threats. This process, known as thermal processing, involves applying heat to food in a controlled manner to achieve the desired level of microbial destruction. In conclusion, the chemistry of cooking is an intricate dance between heat, molecules, and the essence of food itself. From ancient philosophers to modern scientists, our understanding of this complex phenomenon has evolved over time, revealing the intricacies of thermal processing, molecular transformation, and the Maillard reaction. As we continue to explore the frontiers of culinary science, let us not forget the rich history that underlies this fascinating world, a history that spans centuries, continents, and cultures, all united in their pursuit of perfecting the alchemy of flavors and textures.